During a time of the year when, you know, some of us love to indulge.
All of us like to indulge.
More pumpkin pie.
Yeah, it can be challenging, though, to keep your diet goals. So we have Noor Almawadi from Medical Weight Loss in studio to help us out. Noor, thank you.
Hi, thank you
How
for
much
having
pumpkin
me.
pie can I have?
How many dog treats can we have?
Okay, like I said, the program for the dogs is probably
works.
coming up.
It's in the
works. I'm thinking about it.
Okay. How do we balance having fun over the holiday without going too far?
I think just enjoy the company more than you enjoy the food.
That's
one thing I'll
very
say.
harsh.
Enjoy the company. Just have the conversations.
Have a cocktail.
Well,
I know, I don't even drink. I don't even drink, so there we go. Okay, so enjoy the conversation. Maybe the focus isn't entirely
always on the food. Yeah.
Okay, so what did you bring? What do we have
Okay,
here?
so
What are
we
we
have
eating?
our apple quinoa parfait.
Oh.
This is a fun treat. And then we have our...
No, first, what's in this? What's in this?
This is apples, gluten-free quinoa, certified gluten-free,
Okay.
and fat-free yogurt.
Okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
So that's a fun
You didn't
one.
want to share one?
No. I like the presentation, too.
Yep. What do you guys think?
It is food.
Okay.
Very good. Okay. It's very healthy.
That's one of my favorites. I think the kids would love these
Yeah.
if we were to do it for family.
Okay, we got some salad here.
This is the Village pomegranate salad. This is a good one to make in bulk
your
and
name
kind of
written all over
have. This kind of just makes it a little more fun. A lot of times during diets, we get sick of having salad.
Yeah.
It's nice to have that tangy thing to keep it a little different.
The pomegranate really adds a little,
Everything.
right?
I love pomegranate.
I think it's underrated.
I really do. Not a lot of people talk about it.
See, Noor and I are on the same.
Breaking news, everybody.
Noor and I are on the same page. Pomegranates are underrated. Okay, I will try some of this. And what do we have on this side?
So that is our cream of pumpkin soup. That one is low fat. It's awesome. It gives you that
Does it
warm and
taste like pumpkin
comforting,
pie?
festive flavor. I don't know if it tastes like pumpkin pie, but it tastes like pumpkin. You want to try it?
I will.
You should try that.
Is it better cold
That
or
should be
hot?
all you.
It's better hot.
It is, okay.
It gives you that warm and festive feeling. It's seasoned with cumin and herbs. We always recommend herbs instead of using sodium-filled seasonings.
That's very good.
Should I try?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I love that because the herbs can give you a little kick and then you're not getting
Exactly.
all of that extra salt.
Yep. And I always feel like herbs make it a little more warm. They give you like a more homey feeling when you use herbs.
Yeah, that's true.
This has a kick to it.
Yeah.
While you're enjoying the company of your loved ones, you can eat this.
That's always a
Trying to
good
avoid-
one.
Okay, and what's down here?
That is our wild
Right?
rice.
Is it
You guys
really
like
good?
it? Yeah. That's our wild rice stuffing.
Oh.
That one is filled with lots of nutrients, lots of fiber. One thing I can say for all of these is they're all protein packed, fiber packed, loaded with lots of vitamins.
Sorry, was this a chicken broth?
That was with chicken broth. However, you can do vegetable broth if you are vegetarian.
Perfect. Okay, I took one bite and was like, that tastes a little too good. I think I know why. I've run out of spoons. Are you gonna eat? Okay, fine. I'll use. Okay. Okay. And so this one's super healthy, packed with protein. You were saying?
Protein, nutrients, fiber, vitamins. A lot of the times when we are doing diets for our patients and we're in a calorie deficit, we do need the vitamins. So that's just a great way to kind of get it in during the stuffing. And then the stuffing also keeps you full.
Right. Do you feel that it's a mental game as well?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
You have to talk yourself through and figure out ways.
That's why I feel like with most of my patients when they come in, it's that one-on-one supervision that helps them lose weight more than the diet does.
That's true.
It's
And I think
that-
talking to you and it's accountability.
Exactly.
Right?
And I hold them accountable.
Yeah.
Rice down my shit.
Did it really?
I got it. It's okay.
Do you know how to eat?
Not anymore.
We've got medical weight loss meals, that info up on your screen. So we've done the Village pomegranate salad,
Yep.
apple quinoa parfait,
Yep.
low-fat cream of pumpkin soup.
That was
and
great.
you love pumpkin, so
I do, yes.
That was really tasty.
Is there a low-fat pumpkin pie, though? I keep coming back to this.
Well, the great thing is...
Guys, one thing at a time.
Fine.
The great thing is there's always good ways to substitute. There's always different things you can add. Do your research and check out our website as well, mwlc.com. That's a great way to look. We have a lot of pumpkin recipes, Thanksgiving, Christmas. There's so many things.
Oh.
Okay, I have a question though. Say you overindulge.
Okay.
You can't get to a better place by feeling bad about yourself or negative self-talk, right?
No.
Like, it's okay.
And you also have to think of it like as celebrating the small wins. Like you overindulged that day, but what's something good you did that day? Did you supplement with protein before? Did you have a good breakfast?
Right.
Things
How
like
many
that.
dog treats did you
On
have?
that note, right. That's right.
How many dog treats? I only had 5 today. I'm good.
Make it a great Saturday, everybody.
Thank
Indulge
you.
a little bit, but not too much.
Not too much. Have a good one.